Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your Android device. Update Google Play services and the Google Play Games app so authentication works smoothly. Next, open Google Play Games and sign into the Google account you plan to use for Among Us. This ties cloud saves and achievements to your profile. Once done, launch Among Us. The game checks for Google Play Games availability. Make sure you permit any required permissions so the game can access your Play Games profile. You now connect from inside Among Us. Open Settings from the main menu and locate the Google Play Games sign-in button. It's usually a small trophy or account icon. Tap it, then accept the permission dialogues that request access to your Play Games profile. This authorizes achievements and cloud saves. If the button shows Sign Out or displays your avatar, the link succeeded. If the connection seems pending, wait a few seconds and avoid closing the app while authentication completes. You finish by verifying the connection. Open Google Play Games and confirm Among Us appears in your recent games with achievements. Then return to Among Us to confirm cloud save and account icon are present. If something goes wrong, sign out of Google Play Games and sign back in, then retry the in-game sign-in. If issues persist, clear the app cache or reinstall Among Us to reset authentication. This often resolves token or permission conflicts, so you can reconnect successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.